No.
Hard speed wrong.
Yeah, I got it.
Gas on.
I know, I got it.
JR McNeal, the welder.
Oh, wait a minute. Here. Hang on. Let me get your helmet ready.
Hey Roy, I think JR needs a cold drink too. What's he gonna weld?
I'm going to give him something totally unimportant. Wait. You want to see his previous weld?
Hold on.
Oh, stop.
There you go. This is weld. Now this was back when he was an amateur. He wasn't really. Now he's pretty much a professional. So we're going to see what he can really do.
See, now look. That's a good. That would work in a boogered up situation. Now look at that. Now that's good. That's good. That's a good one.
Is that the side that Roy did?
No, that's the side I did. I did that.
Tell you what we're going to do. Just so there's no
Hold on, wait a
excuses.
minute. I got to do something here. Hold on.
Just so there's no excuses. I am going to weld a pass just to make sure the machine is set right.
Oh, here we go.
And then I'm going to walk away.
Hey, where's your duct tape at? Fran, we don't want any sponsors to want any, free advertising or anything like that. So I'm gonna tape this up right here. You ready? Did I get it?
No, there's a little bit of the 8 and the 4 left.
Here, here go.
Yeah, here we go. We don't want any sponsors.
Is that Charlie?
Alright, we want to make sure there's no sponsor interference.
There we go. There, is that it?
No, he's up top.
Oh crap! All right, here we go.
I want to make sure there's no excuses.
Uh-oh, the RAZIN KANE children.
There we go.
Hey, don't.
Hey, don't look.
Hey, don't look away.
Look away.
All right.
Done?
There's my well.
Okay, hold on. Let's
Get close
inspect
up of
it.
that. Just so we know.
Oh, what?
Just so we know the machine is right. We don't want any excuses. Same.
So do you still wear that top one?
Yes. Just so we know.
He wears top loop in his hat. That's
I don't like that bottom loop that you use.
he put some bottom loop in his top loop. Boy, he didn't like that at all.
There you go. Helmet, everything. You did not touch the machine. Really?
Today, class, I am trying to show you how to bond two pieces of metal together without JB Weld. And
how we just fit in?
we're glad to be sponsored by RAZIN KANE.
RAZIN KANE. Zoom
Come
in.
on.
Come on.
Promotional sponsor.
No, yeah, promotional sponsored by Cyclone Transfer Cases. Roy Pridgeon Small Engine Repair.
Owner operator Roy Pridgeon.
Yeah, owner operator. Okay, here we go. I want to make sure that he's not sabotaging me and the gas is on. Okay,
The pressure's on.
the pressure's on. Let me check if my hinges need to be oiled. I need to oil my hinge.
We don't want any kind of promotional sponsorship. Anything. As you see this weld right here, notice how good that is. This one. Then we will compare this weld with
This well. Okay.
That's funny. Okay.
Here we go. You want some gloves? You want anything?
No.
Anything.
We believe in safety around here, so let me get some gloves.
You want
You get any latex gloves?
And what, latex gloves? No. You need latex gloves?
Latex gloves?
Get out of my shop.
I was trying to be safety.
Safety
You
first.
want the regular gloves?
No, I want some latex gloves.
I don't have any latex gloves.
The proper gloves to wear are latex when you're welding. But I'll go ahead and subsidize at Roy Pridgeon Small Engine Repair shop and use the fingerless gloves.
And notice how I did not have latex gloves while doing this weld here.
Hold on, I'm getting a close up. What is that? What does that say? Oh, Cyclone Gearbox. Okay, I got you.
Cyclone Gearbox, yeah.
.com. Little promo there.
At a lawnmower shop near you. Okay.
Just because we don't want any kind of promotional sponsorship.
All right.
Here we go, first pass, right out of the box. Drum roll, please. The tension is building. Oh, you sure the wire speed's right? Oh, hang on, I forgot to turn the gas back on. Let's see if he's really learned anything. All right, now let's get a close-up.
Okay,
Basically the same.
Almost.
Basically the same.
I got some crazy. Now hold on, boys and girls. Hold on. Hold on. Now, what matters is the end product. That's what matters. Oh, yeah.
There you go. That's what it was. Faulty equipment.
Yeah, I don't like.
I didn't have it set right. My bad.
I'm not used to a short stem.
Wait,
Amen.
I need
Better?
Hold on. I'm just cleaning it up, boys and girls. Don't you go nowhere. Hold on.
He's just getting warmed up, folks.
Uh-oh.
Dang.
They're shooting on me.
What, is it 4th of July again? Got a lot of sparks.
Now wait a minute.
Alright,
All right.
Okay.
I got one more spot to fix, and then you come look at it.
Ask him why it takes so many times.
Yeah, no, JR, I noticed that Roy only did it in one. Uh-oh, something blew up.
Roy sabotaged me.
Roy, what are you doing to him?
He put the bad tip in.
I put the spider dookie on him.
Wait a minute, did you just say he put the bad tip in?
He put the bad tip in.
And it was short.
I'm sorry, I just wanted to make sure I heard that clearly.
Put the short tip in.
Well,
plenty of topics.
We should have known. We should have known that was bad from the get-go. That was bad from the
Sounds like
get-go.
that's the first time he's ever had a bad tip, though. Inserted. Fix it.
All right, come on over here.
Okay.
There we go.
You know, now you see this. Now Roy's looks a little prettier. That's pretty. But look at this bond here. It's like bond. I mean, you know what?
That's not going anywhere.
That is not going anywhere.
Apparently
Here.
that isn't either.
Now wait a minute. Let me do mine. Hold on. Hold on.
All right.
Hold on.
See? It already broke.
I'm gonna get a sledgehammer, boy. You should have get a sledgehammer.
Oh, there it is. JR's welding.
Okay, let me show you one more time, boys and girls. I was just messing with you.
He was telling us what not to do.
You can go to jrwelding.com to see more.
I mean, everyone knows that I work on my own trucks. And I weld them.
There.
And I weld.
Sparks are coming at me. Roy.
Now see, he's messing with me. Come over here and look at this. You come over here. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, that's
Oh,
wait a minute. That is that is beautiful.
that is, oh, come on now.
After what was that,
Let me get back on it. Let me get back on it.
That is good, actually. There he is, the man. Hey, working under pressure.
Oh, come over, look at that.
Oh, that's gorgeous. That
Yeah,
is.
see, that is a weld.
Yes, that is Pridgeon grade. Yeah.
Yes, yep, no. Sure, that's pretty, but pretty isn't everything.
Exactly.
Right. Raise the cane. You heard it first here at Roy Pridgeon Small Engine Repair and Cyclone Transfer Cases.
Come on. Come on.
All right.